Another machine with a split gear. This is an Elgin 301. So 301 Deluxe push button zigzag would be whatever name it was under. Now the cam for this is not nearly as easy to get at as the Kenmore 1227, but I think if I'm able to just unscrew this screw, that's another cam screw with a something underneath holding it. Rats. Okay. I was hoping that I could just get this middle piece to slip out of there on a clever plan, but clearly that is not going to happen. Let me. Oh, there is a nut on the back side of that. Maybe I can. If I can get a something. Under there to grip that nut at all. Alright, well, I can't tell what's behind that, so I'm going to have to just get the whole top off here. And that means I'm going to unhook that spring, and then loosen the set screw on this collar, and then with that out of the way, this top slide just comes off. And then we've got access to this half moon link. I'm going to pop this C-clip off of here. And then if I can get at this clamping screw, oh, too tall. All right. Do I have a bent screwdriver or something to reach? Aha. There we go. Okay. So with that clamp released, turns a little bit. Oh, that was just a little collar, and it fell out onto the bench, and I will have to go looking for that. Oops. I thought there was something more to that. Alright. Wait, maybe if I wedge that over, it will hold the... Nope. Not holding the nut underneath. Okay. Well, there's that collar on the back side of the bench. Alright, I think I'm going to have to unlink the bottom of this machine so that I can wiggle this more to get this all to flop out of the way. And then once I've got that done, should be easier to slide that over and pop it out. Alright, so I got to unhook that top and bottom motion link for the zigzag on the Elgin 301. To do that, there's a thread guide here that just needs to slip out of the way for the front pin that moves the top to come out of this arm. So there's a set screw there, and then slide this out of the way so I can get that pin out. Still not enough motion, so I gotta get the bottom unhooked too. Bottom side has this arm link, and I'm gonna loosen this set screw here Once that set screw is out, this should just be just remove the set screw entirely. I guess we'll just see which end of this arm can come off, or which end of this arm will come out. So we'll pop both these set screws out. Yeah. So there. There we go. There. Set screws on those pins. These pins are not cam shaped because the adjustment on side load zigzags is this clamp here on the bearing for the hook drive. So I think with that out of the way, we should have a bit more freedom up top to get that piece removed. Well, that's not quite happening.